So it seems like the selection of gluten-free and vegan options at the park are pretty awesome.
It's baseball season, and that means going to watch the Padres. Having food allergies can make any outing stressful, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Petco Park has some great options for gluten-free and vegan. For starters, you can find the delicious hard kombucha Juneshine, as well as Alpine Duet, Red Bridge, and Cutwater cocktails. One of the coolest things about Petco Park is that all the restaurants in the stadium are popular restaurants you'll find around San Diego, including Seaside Market from Cardiff, which I'd head over to if you're looking for a more healthy option. It's located near Section 109. You'll find yummy salads, snacks and fresh fruit, and, depending on the day, some kind of entree option. You can't go to a baseball game without peanuts, at least according to Corey. The good news is that they don't add anything but salt, making them a great gluten-free vegan option. Corey got tacos from Puesto, and while they didn't have a taco option for me, they did have corn chips and dairy-free guacamole. The simplest way to find your options is to go to mlb.com/Padres. Here you will find a link to the Petco Park food guide and vegetarian gluten-free. There it'll list out all the restaurants that have options for you. I found a lot more gluten-free options than vegan, including a wrap at Board Brew, pizza at Buona Forchetta, Wonderland Pub serves ceviche and lettuce-wrapped hamburgers, and Puesto has gluten-free tacos. There is an Everbowl near Section 109 that has vegan build-your-own superfood bowls. Okay, girls and guys, I have one more pro tip for you. The night that we went to the game, they weren't allowing purses or backpacks over the size of pretty much a wallet. So you either need to leave your bag in the car or rent one of these lockers for $10. Don't waste your time standing in line only to find out you have to go discard your purse or backpack. Thanks so much for watching. Now go find some delicious gluten-free and vegan food at Petco Park. Go Padres!